Sometimes, and a lot of people think that there is a contradiction when we want to forgive people and we want to protect ourselves from their harm in future. You forgive them, you don't hold anything against them, but you can minimize your relationship with them. You can. Forgiveness does not mean you've got to go back and you are with them every day 24/7 and you deal with them again. I can forgive you, my brother, but I don't want to do any more dealings with you. I will still smile at you. Assalamu alaikum, how are you? When you phone me, you want a bit of money, my brother, I will not be able to honor that. I won't be able to do that for you. I'm sorry, I would not like to do business with you, but my brother, I forgive you and I love you and so on. But if you've forgiven me, why don't you want to do business with me? Because I don't want to arrive at a situation whereby you seek forgiveness again. Simple. I'm doing you a favor by not dealing with you. So there's nothing wrong. Don't think that Islam has said that you forgive someone, it means you have to go back into their lives and you have to go back to what the relationship was before. No, you might be foolish to do that sometimes. Sometimes you can, yes. Sometimes you can do that. Sometimes no. I'm just qualifying it to explain to you that there is no contradiction. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us.